Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to update your EBT card on DoorDash? Here's how you can do it in just a few simple steps. First of all, open the DoorDash app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, select Payment to view your saved payment methods. Find your EBT card, tap on it and select Remove to delete it from your account. Don't worry. Now tap Add Payment Method. Choose EBT and enter your new EBT card details. Once saved, your new EBT card is ready to use for eligible purchases. And that's it. Now you can enjoy convenient grocery deliveries with your updated EBT card on DoorDash. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.